Good afternoon, filmmakers. Happy Wednesday. What I would like you to do today is focus on your storyboard. So you have already submitted your recipe to me with the ingredients, and I've given you feedback. What you're going to do today is use that recipe to create your storyboard. You need to plan out all of the scenes that you are going to be filming. In order to plan accordingly, let's just remind ourselves about the requirements for this assignment. Firstly, the whole idea of having videos like the one that you're going to make so the whole idea of having videos like this available on the internet is to make these recipes seem accessible. So you need to make it seem easy enough for people to follow along. We need to make sure that someone could cook this food from start to end by just watching your video. So you need to make sure that all of the steps are represented in your video. We also want to make sure that the person watching our video knows what the meal is supposed to look like. So you need to have a finished product. The beginning of your video needs to have the name of the food that you're making and no speaking. So you should have a song playing in the background, which also means that you're going to need some subtitles at some point in your video. So what I'd like you to do today is use this table below to plan out your shots. And I'm just going to talk you through how to do this. Remember that this might change as you begin filming, but this should be a checklist of shots that you need to take while you're cooking your recipe. So, column 1 is the shot number. Column 2, what ingredients need to be prepared for this shot. You're going to have to be really organized and prepared for this filming with your different ingredients. The third column, give a description of what is going on in the shot. Give the recipe step as well as a description of how you're going to show it. And the fourth one is the angle that you're going to use. So this third column, there are a few things that you need to do. A description of what is happening. Let's divide that. The recipe step, like where you are in the recipe, and how you are going to show it on film. And here I'm going to talk you through my example. So shot 1, what ingredients do I need? The final product and a table setting. What is the description? What is going to be in the shot? It's a title card with the title Kelly's Stuffed Shells. So that is going to be the title at the start of the video. The recipe step, or description of what's going to be in the shot. This will be a video shot of the stuffed shells on a plate on the balcony, because this is my finished product and it's how I'm starting. The stuffed shells will be on the bottom right corner of the screen with the text on the upper left hand corner. So you can see exactly what this shot is going to look like. And the angle is going to be a close-up. The second shot is the final product and a table setting, similar to shot 1, but no title card, and a different angle of the meal, and it's going to be a medium shot. The third shot is going to be the oven. Let's make that capital. It's going to be a shot of just the oven, and it's going to be a close-up of just the oven. The fourth shot is the oven again, and it's a shot of my hand turning the oven knob to 350 degrees. Maybe the light switch is on. Actually, it does on my oven. And a close-up of the oven dials. Can you see how detailed I'm being with these different shots? So there are two different shots for the oven, one of just the oven and then my hand in there as well. So you need to think step by step by step what we're going to see. Then there's going to be water in a pot on the stove and pasta shells. The shot is going to be of water boiling and my hand adding in the pasta. And the text on the screen will be cook pasta according to package directions. And it's going to be a bird's eye shot. Then I will need the colander and pasta in a pot in the sink. I'm going to dump out the pasta and the pasta water into the colander. It's going to be a bird's eye view shot. Then I'll need pasta in a colander, and the shot will be giving the pasta a little shake. Again, a bird's eye view. The 8th shot will be a big empty bowl, and the ingredients I will need ready is ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, eggs, parsley, nutmeg, salt and pepper. What will I be filming? Add in all ingredients, making sure to pause while holding the ingredients to allow for editing in text with ingredient descriptions. Add in the eggs last, and it'll be a bird's eye view. What will I need? I'll need the bowl of ingredients. What will I be filming? I will be mixing all of the ingredients together, and it's a bird's eye view. Okay, you get the idea of what I expect, right? I don't need to talk my way through all of this. Get to here. What will I need? My phone. And what will I see? When the rest of my cooking has been done, I will have a short video of me using my phone to set a timer for 35 minutes. And the text that we see on the screen will be cook for 35 minutes. You can see I've got an extreme close-up here. And then I finish with the finished product, plates, table setting, glasses of wine. Plan of the table setting out on the balcony. And then finally, a close-up of me cutting into the stuffed shells as cheese oozes out. Yum. I'm going to put this on Schoology. I would like you to do your own storyboard. So obviously you have to erase my what I've written and add your own. And you need to upload to Schoology when you've finished. You might have time to finish in this class, you might not, depending on how long your recipe is. Please don't start filming until you have received feedback from me. Okay? Chloe, I will try to get to yours first so that you can start tomorrow night and give you feedback. Okay? If you have any questions, send one of your, send somebody in this class a Google Chat or an email. Failing that, email me and I might be able to respond. Okay, all right, good luck. Bye.